Have you ever wondered how a simple spread could preserve meat for months without refrigeration? Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of rillettes, a French delicacy that's been around for centuries. Rillettes is a method similar to confit where meat, typically pork but also duck or goose, is seasoned and cooked slowly for several hours in its own fat. This process makes the meat incredibly tender. The cooking time ranges from 4 to 10 hours, allowing the meat to absorb flavors and become so soft that it can be easily shredded. This is a key step in creating rillettes. Once cooked, the meat is shredded and packed into sterile jars with fat on top. The fat acts as both a flavor enhancer and a natural preservative. Historically, rillettes served as a way to preserve meat before modern refrigeration. Today, it's enjoyed for its rich flavor and versatility, used on toast or crackers. The texture of rillettes is chunky, with visible strands of meat in rendered fat. This contrasts with similar spreads like pâté, which have a smoother consistency. From its origins as a method for preserving meat to becoming a gourmet spread, rillettes is a testament to the ingenuity and culinary expertise of French cuisine. Now that you know how rillettes are made, why not try making your own at home? Share your experiences in the comments below.